the Cruise app. It is becoming the way of the future. All cruise lines now have one, and these apps are getting more and more features added to them all the time, which is why I highly recommend that you download your Cruise Lines Cruise app. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, so today is day 22, 22 days till we cruise. And of course, along with that, we also have today's cruise tip. And today's cruise tip is going to be download the Cruise Lines Cruise app. So as these apps continue to get more popular, as these apps continue to grow in technology and grow in ability, yes, you are seeing the cruise lines use them a lot more now due to our current COVID situation versus the old way of, let's say, at dinner, they bring you the menu, now you scan a QR code. But it is my honest opinion that even once we get past COVID and we continue to move forward, that these apps are still going to be in place and cruise lines are going to start relying on them more and more. Why? Because it helps prevent waste. Why print up a whole bunch of copies of something on paper when you can simply put it on an app? It is simply more cost effective. It helps the cruise lines be more green. And so I definitely think they will continue to go down this route in the future. But trust me, this app can be very helpful and it is very beneficial, especially if you are a first-time cruiser. One, you can see all of the ship's activities that are going to be going on during your cruise on the app. You can even go through and select your favorites. Oh, I want to go to this. Oh, I want to go to this. I want to make sure I do this over here. And the app can even remind you, hey, you have this activity coming up in 15, 20, 30 minutes, whatever the case may be. You can make reservations on the cruise app for ship activities. You can order food. You can order drinks. They have it now where you can shop in the retail stores and have the products delivered to your room. You can have a pizza delivered to you anywhere on the ship. You can see the dinner menus ahead of time. You can see a map of the cruise ship, and some of them, if not all of them now, have the option where you can message other individuals in your party directly through the cruise app. And the nice thing about the cruise app is you do not have to buy a Wi-Fi package to use it. You simply get on the ship, connect to the ship's Wi-Fi, and as long as you are using just the app, you don't have to have the Wi-Fi package. So it works for all cruisers that have a smartphone, whether you get Wi-Fi or not. It is the wave of the future. It is going to be the upcoming technology. Now, even the muster drills are beginning to get tied into smartphones, smart devices, and the cruise app. So I highly, highly recommend you download your cruise app. It will be beneficial to you on your next cruise. And one thing I use it for right now is it actually does my cruise countdown for me. I can log in to the Carnival's app right now, even though I'm not on the ship, and it tells me how long I have till my next cruise. So, all right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Let's have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.